Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a company called Tata Chemicals Limited. So this is a very good company and this company is engaged in the manufacture of inorganic chemistry product with a plant spread across four continents, America, Europe, Africa and Asia. And they are the world's third largest soda ash and India's leading vacuum evaporated iodized salt producer. Their salt works spread over 36,000 acres and they are the largest in Asia. So if you see its market capitalization, that is very good, that is 16,219 crore. Current price is 637 and yearly high is 643, yearly low is 197. If you look at the ROCE and ROE value, that is 7.65 percentage and 7.62. It is looking little less, but if you see the last 1 year return, that is very good, that is 87.2 percentage. Last 3 years also it has given a positive return, that is 26.5 percentage, and return over the 5 years is also 34.6 percentage. Debt to equity of this particular company is very low, that is 0.51 percentage. Promoter is also having a holding of around 38 percentage. So if you look at the last 1 year chart, you can see in the from the month of April, it is trading at 300 level, you can see. But in November 17th onwards, you can see there is a corresponding increase in its share price. And because of the, you can see this huge volumes of investment came into this particular company. And because of this, this particular company is currently trading above its 50-day moving average as well as 200-day moving average. So currently at 637 level. So if you see the advantages, that company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 18.2 percentage, and promoter is increased their holding of 2.51 percentage for the last quarter. So if you see its book value, you can see that is also very good. That is 1.24, almost one, you can say. But if you see the compared to the other companies, this company is having the lowest book value, that is 1.24. That is also a good, very good advantage. So if you look at the consolidated profit and growth statement of this particular company, the net profit of this particular company, you can see from 2009 to 2013 it is positive, but in 2014 you can see there is a negative is there, minus 1032. But there onwards you can see, especially you see the March 2020. So before that 1156 crore, but in March 2020 you can see the increase, that is almost sevenfold increase, that is 7006 crore. So that is very good, and EPS ratio is also very high, 274.97. And they are also giving dividend every year. Only this year they have given a negative dividend, March 2014. And if you look at the compounded sales growth, that is little negative, that is 6%. Compounded profit growth is also minus 40%. But I think in the coming years this will modify, or this will improve. Our stock price CAGR is very good for the last 1 year, that is 87%. Return on equity is also 8%. So then now we will go to the technical chart. So this is the technical chart of this particular company. You can see on March 23rd it's touched a low of around 197, and there onwards it is trading in this particular range, and higher it touched was around 348 or 342 level. But from November 19 it crossed this resistance, and there onwards this particular company is running very fast, you can say. So then it touched to 510, then again it came back and 454, but again it is keep on moving upwards. Now the speed of this stock is also very fast, you can say. That is RSI, if you are checking monthly, weekly, daily, everything is above 80. So that means speed of this particular stock is very fast, and every day you can see there is a corresponding increase in the share price, because we know the last 5 days the market was actually coming down, but that and all doesn't affect this particular company. This particular company still keep on growing, or its share prices keep on moving up, because you can see the huge volume of investment comes into this particular stock. So this is a very good opportunity, and even if it is coming, you can purchase at these levels, that is 594 level. Even is coming down, you can purchase the stock at 552 levels. Definitely mostly it will not come, but if you are lucky, then please you can accumulate, at least you can buy 10 shares and see the growth of that particular company. So this is a wonderful stock. So if you are interested, you can go for it. So those who are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and like. And if you have any comments or any other company you want me to review or analyze, please let me know. So thank you.